Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm in my son's room. We have this ladder right here because we're still trying to figure out any insects in the house. So we just stay put right there. So I don't think it's very eyesore. No, I don't. I think it's okay for now. Please forgive that. We need to use that. Okay, so by the way, you guys, about my vlog yesterday, if you're interested in what I was wearing, since I don't have a lipstick now, let's just do that. And then I have something that I bought today in the mall together with my son. So we went out there and buy whatever. Okay, I'll show you later. So that's our thing. Not really a haul because it's just one. Anyway, you guys, so what I was wearing in my lips yesterday, if you're interested, I usually have three colors uh, in my lips usually. Okay, so I have my mirror here, you guys, so I can see. And then also I need to wear my eyeglasses, okay, because um it's just so hard for me, you guys, not to like see, well, what are my thoughts right now? It's like rumbled right now. Anyway, let me focus. Sometimes I am like that. I was like saying something, but I did not really register to my brain. Anyway, so what I'm saying about is that since I've been wearing these eyeglasses, my vision is getting better. Maybe probably I get the better doctor or someone who really knows, or like, but I guess pinpoint what's the cause of everything that I have going on. It's been years actually, though I keep on replacing my eyeglasses, you guys, but then my vision, like after I like, if I read something, I wear my glasses, then after reading, it's still, everything is still blurry, you guys. But these glasses right here um really helps me. Okay, so this is from Idea Vision. Okay, so that's where I got my eyes checked. And then I think I did not mention about in here in this channel about what's going on with my eyes. The doctor said I have I traumatized my eyes, my left eye, so this eye. Okay, so and I can see just by wearing, and then I have like different grades, and this cannot be corrected with um the lens, but she tried her best to give me the best. At least I can, get a little bit more clear, but it's not still clear, but still, get something better than what I had in my other years of wearing glasses, you guys. So I am glad. And there are times when my eyes are like blurry because I try to like read something when I know that I need glasses to read it, but then I really like force myself to read it because they said maybe you could correct your eyes, but it's not gonna work anymore when you are aging. So that's it, you guys. So this is, forgive me if I will wear glasses because so I can see what's going on. What's the name of this product that I'm going to tell you, because I don't remember, you guys, the name, exactly the name of it. Okay, so right. So of course we have MAC lipstick right here. I have, what is this? Oh, Please Me. That's why. This is one of my favorite um go to. Yeah, there's also one more that I don't know where it is, but right now this is in my bag. Okay, I have a backpack. This is no name brand backpack, you guys. So um my husband bought me, said that I bought you that backpack so that I would not worry if you trash that bag, so we can just replace it. Especially here in this province, you guys, it keeps on raining. So all my purses will going to be wet. So that's it, guys. Let's start off. Okay, so when I do my lips, usually it's so dry right now, so I don't have my, oh okay, I have my lip gloss first. Do the lip gloss first, you know, just tap a little bit. When you have two dry lipsticks, two dry lip two dry lips two dry lips, okay, two dry, so I just grab like that. Then I do a, so that's Vaseline, okay, Vaseline, okay. The next one I do is a lip liner. This is my go-to, you guys. This is not the go-to like color, but I do have a lot of them. But the company is Jordana, you guys, Jordana. It's one of my favorite like lip liner company. So I just do like a very, you know, simple line, not overlinings, you know, just very simple. And if I would want my lipstick to last for a little bit, I'll do it like all over it, and then I put a tissue pat on it when it's dry, and then that's where, or that's the time I would go over for the bullet lipstick. So this MAC lipstick from this this MAC lipstick, which is Please Me, the name of it. Okay, and I go over my lips, right? Okay, like so. All right, wait, like so, right? Right, see? And then since I have so super dry lips, you guys, I need to top it over with a lip gloss. And I have my NYX, my favorite lipstick, lip glosses ever. This is the butter gloss. I have a bunch of them, but then I'm getting low too because some of them dried up already, and then I throw it. I think this is the one that I did not open recently, so it's still new. The other ones, I'm not sure about the age. It's getting their expiry. So you guys, this is, what's the name of this one? Peach Cobblers, which is very fitting to the current color, Pantone color of the year, right? Peach and orangey. Yeah, this one, Peach Cobbler. I think this is like the color of the year, which I didn't even know I have one. But this is already in my purse for a long time, and I didn't know I have it. And this is exactly like the color of the year, like orangey but peachy. Yes, I think this is the one. Okay, this is from NYX. It's called Peach Cobbler. Yeah, Peach Cobbler. Yeah, mixed with peaches. So that's really good, you guys. So that's it, you guys. And then our last thing before anything else, okay, so we have this one. Okay, so I went to H&F. So this is not H&M. Here it's H&F. Isn't that funny? We called here H&F. So I bought this shoe for the son because they have a dance show next week. It's their foundation week next week, so they are very busy practicing, you guys, and they have a show next week, so we're going to watch that. I will go with you too. I will show you guys. And I didn't even know the place yet. We didn't even know. So I got the shoe. Okay, so the requirement is to buy a white shoe, and I got this Transformer company because I like they are a little bit, not a little bit, but they're good quality. So I bought this shoe. Okay, so this is the white one. It's two straps. Okay, this is how much? I think let's just go over the like the total here. So the total is 1,429. They have VAT, which is a bit 153. So actually shoe is 1,275, but with VAT, so it's 1,429. So that's it, you guys. This will be the shoe that he's going to wear, this is a little bit bigger though, but I think it's good because it has like a good sole for, you know, slip. If there's any like I hope it will not slip, you guys. I hope so. Allah. I hope it's not going to slip. That's the problem here, is that if they will slip, no, but I think it will gonna be okay, so I hope so. So this is it. So this will be our vlog for today, you guys. I thank you all for watching, and for more, what's tomorrow, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I think I'll be going out again tomorrow. Gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow, so yeah, see you tomorrow then. Okay, that's my vlog for today. Bye.